Importing products from other stores on Wix is a convenient way to expand your product offerings and grow your online business. To do this, you will need to use the Wix import feature, which allows you to import products from other online stores, including eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. First, you need to access the Wix dashboard and navigate to the Products page. Click on the Add Product button and select Import Products from the drop-down menu. You will then be prompted to choose the platform from which you want to import products. Select the platform, such as eBay or Amazon, and enter the required credentials to connect your account. Wix will then fetch the products from the selected platform and display them in a list. You can then select the products you want to import and choose the relevant details, such as product title, description, price, and images. Once you have selected the products, click the Import button to add them to your Wix store. The products will be automatically added to your store, along with their relevant details. You can then review and edit the product details as needed to ensure they match your store's branding and style. It's also important to note that when importing products, you should ensure that you have the necessary permissions and licenses to sell the products. You should also review the product prices and adjust them according to your store's pricing strategy. To make the most of the import feature, it's best to use high-quality product images and detailed product descriptions. You should also organize your products into relevant categories and subcategories to make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for. In addition, you can use the Wix import feature to import products from multiple platforms, allowing you to offer a wide range of products to your customers. This can help to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, and ultimately drive sales and revenue for your online business. Overall, importing products from other stores on Wix is a straightforward process that can help you to grow your online business and expand your product offerings. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of the Wix import feature and take your online store to the next level.